Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix that annoying extra space that appears at the bottom of your text editor widget in Elementor. If you have ever noticed that your text block has a little gap at the bottom even when you have not added any padding or margin and you want to fix this, then this video is for you. So here you can see that I have a text editor widget on this page, and if you look at the bottom of it, there is extra space sitting there below at the last line of the text. This is not something you added. Elementor adds a bottom margin to the last paragraph inside the text editor by default, and that is what is creating this gap. Now depending on your layout, this can make things look misaligned, and it is something that can be quite frustrating to deal with. So here you can see that I have 20 pixel padding. Here you can see that I have in rem which is 1.25, and the distance between paragraph and heading is 1.25 rem, and due to this extra space this is creating inconsistency in this spacing. Now let me show you what people usually try to fix this and why I do not recommend those approaches. The first thing a lot of people do is they go to the widget setting, and then in advanced they start adjusting bottom margin to compensate this extra space. So here you can see that when I give a negative margin, then it shifts the space, and here you can see that when I give a bottom margin, and yes, this can make it look better visually, but this is just a workaround. You are not actually fixing the problem. You are just pushing things around to hide this. And if you have multiple text editor widgets on your page, you have to do this for every single one, which is not practical. Now once I reset the first workaround, the second workaround is something you might have come across. If you go into your text editor widget and switch from the visual to text editor tab or code tab, and you can click at the very end of your last paragraph and you press delete to remove that extra space, and yes, that space disappears. But here is the problem. If you have multiple paragraphs, you lose the spacing between them, so you have to manually add a break tag between each paragraph to bring that spacing back. Now here you can see that I have added break tag, and if I again click on the text editor widget, then the same spacing comes back, and when you click outside of your text editor widget, then it works. But here is the bigger issue. The next time you come back and edit that text widget and make any changes, then here you can see that the behavior comes back again and you have to repeat the whole process. So this is just a workaround and not a real fix. Now let me show you the proper way to fix this permanently, and all you need is a little bit CSS that you can use to fix this permanently. If you are using Elementor Pro, then you can go to custom CSS and add this into your custom CSS, and in case if you don't have Elementor Pro, then you can go to your theme, you can go to appearance and then go to customize, and here in your customizer you see additional CSS option. So as we were editing this on about us page, so let's open it, and here in additional CSS, once you paste your CSS code, then you see that the extra space at the bottom of your paragraph disappears immediately. So if I remove this and then add again, then you can see that the extra paragraph spacing goes away. Here you can see that this spacing between these two paragraphs is larger because we added two break tags. So let me publish this, and then I go back here and I adjust this so that there is no inconsistency. Okay, so let me publish again, and once again we visit about us page. So here you can see that now this is the normal spacing between the paragraphs. Now once you add this in additional CSS, then it applies to all the editor widgets on the page and website. If I refresh this page, and once the page is refreshed, then if I add the text editor widget here, then you can see that there is no extra space at the bottom of the last paragraph. If I add another paragraph, then you can see that. So this is the recommended way. You only need to add this once and it works everywhere. Now let me quickly explain what this code is actually doing, so you understand what you are doing. This part targets specifically the Elementor text editor widget, so we are not touching anything outside of it. This targets the last paragraph inside that text editor widget, because the extra space comes from the bottom margin on that last paragraph, and this part simply sets the margin to 0, which removes the gap. So the logic is simple: find the last paragraph inside the Elementor text editor and remove its bottom margin. That is all this is doing. Now if you want to go one step further, and if your whole website has this bottom margin on paragraphs and you want to remove it everywhere, not just inside the Elementor text editor, you can remove the Elementor class and just use this p_last_child and set the margin to 0. What it will do is it will target all the paragraphs on the website. They can be Elementor text editor widgets or from the theme paragraphs, and it will set the margin to 0. But here I want to give you a quick note. If you are working on an existing website and you have already styled your paragraph a certain way, applying this globally might affect other parts of your design. So if you are unsure, stick with Elementor version. Stick with the Elementor specific version, which is the safer option and targets only the text editor widget. Both versions of the code will be available in the first comment below, so you can just copy and paste. And that's it. A simple permanent fix for that annoying extra space in Elementor text editor. No more adjusting margins manually and going into text editor code or text tab to adjust this manually, and no more going into text view and deleting the line every time you make an edit. A little bit CSS code that you can add into additional CSS and it is done. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe the channel, as I keep bringing such useful content. And until the next video, take care. Bye.